Red card. Sitting for hours to watch World Cup? Definitely a foul. So let me show you how to put a healthy twist on it. Healthy Twist shows you how to make everyday activities and special occasions more fit and fun. I'm Shana, and I'm an expert at finding time for fitness in our everyday life. On this episode of Healthy Twist, Christy on Facebook asked me, "Hey Shana, I'm a huge sports fan and can't wait to watch the World Cup. How can I get in some exercise while watching so I don't feel guilty about sitting to watch hours of games?" Christy, I love the way you're thinking. So to get in some fitness, we're gonna set some new rules. Rule number 1, when your team has possession of the ball, you're gonna run in place. And you can do this while you're sitting down, or go ahead and stand up. Rule number 2, whenever there's a corner or goal kick, you're gonna stand up and sit down. It's like doing a whole series of little squats without even realizing it. Rule number 3, if the ref pulls a red or yellow card or there's a dramatic foul, it's time to do a standing back bend. You can do it by putting your hands at the lower part of your back or put them up. Rule number 4, when the goalie catches the ball, that's when you're gonna do chest press pulses. You do this by bringing your arms up. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see me better. Press your elbows together and then you're gonna pulse up. It really works your chest and your biceps. And also looks like praying, like either, "Thank God the goalie caught it," or "Please don't let him catch it next time." Rule number 5, when your team scores, goal! It's time to celebrate with a dance, so break out your best moves. So use these 5 rules to find time for fitness while you're watching the World Cup. And if you want me to put a healthy twist on something, use hashtag Guruhub and message me at FitStyle by Shana on Facebook or Instagram. Stay tuned for more Healthy Twist with me, Shana, only on Guruhub. Since the US is out of the World Cup this year, figure I'll root for my husband's team, Deutschland. I always wanted to do this. Go!